Hi guys, welcome to the first Coach's Corner. This is my channel, obviously, but the other coaches at Pyramid will be jumping in with kind of their aspects and their points of view as well. So I want to address the first question that's come in, and it's going to be just there. And the first one is, hi Chris, struggling with weight loss. Started in January, full of enthusiasm, and lost 5 kilograms in 6 weeks, which is awesome. Starting to plateau, and whilst I'm making progress, it feels harder and there's less enthusiasm to keep going. I'm counting calories and avoiding alcohol, but it doesn't seem to work as well as when I started. Do you have just to slog through, or is there any way to reset? A reset both physiologically and psychologically? Thanks. First of all, great question. And I think a lot of people might feel the same thing. So in terms of physiologically, first of all, with a calorie deficit, it changes. It's not just a set system. What that means is, though, if you are at a certain weight, there's your deficit. As your weight goes down, your deficit has to go down with it, or else it does this. And then your weight loss becomes slower and slower and slower until it kind of plateaus, which sounds like where you're at the minute. Psychologically, it might be worth having what's called a diet break. So we spend so much time in dieting. It's called diet fatigue. And what it happens is you kind of get bored dieting, and then things start to creep in a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit here, a little bit there. So what I suggest is, in this instance, this particular person, who I know who it is, take a week or two away from dieting. Eat what you want to eat, drink what you want to drink, and then that's your reset. So, if you want a few beers, have some beers. If you want different kind of food, have some different kind of food. If you want some frazzles, have some frazzles. And then kind of reset your mind, refocus, have a new weight loss goal. And then we recalculate calories, and then we set your new calorie goal, set your new weight loss goal, and then you're kind of refreshed, if that makes sense. And that's kind of something it's known to be a big help. It's called diet fatigue, if you want to Google it, anyone who's watching. The other side of that coin is the stress coin, really. And stress plays its own role in kind of masking weight loss a little bit. So when a person's more stressed, either through exercise, which is a good stress, or work, which can be a good stress or a bad stress, or home life, which can be a good stress or a bad stress, we have an increase in cortisol, which is the kind of stress hormone. Okay, so the important part is to find out things that are not going to overstress you, for example. So taking walks when it's nice and sunny, even doing short home workouts, 5-10 minutes worth of workouts, is going to be a massive help as well. It's trying to step away from the thing that's stressing you out the most and finding something that's going to kind of take you out of that environment and find something else to do. So it's multifaceted. That's what we call it, really, to be fair. So I hope this helped for the first one. Again, any follow-up questions, just drop them to me. I'll do a new video, and this is going to be a weekly thing. So again, just fire the questions in, and we'll do plenty of recordings. I'll see you soon.